relationship.
What's up? Today we reacting to what do girls bring in a relationship.
Interesting. Yeah. What's this about? Is it telling you?
How are you doing, Tandy?
I'm doing just fine.
How was your day?
Good.
I have a simple question, right? I want to know which values do you think women bring to a relationship? What values do you think women bring in a relationship?
Oh my goodness. They bring in a lot, right? I would say mostly they bring in spirit of nurturing.
Okay.
They bring in
Spirit, that's what it.
softness.
Okay.
They're softer. Kindness. They bring in warmth. And they bring in so much softness to the relationship.
Yeah, got inhlezi nikotola for abantu abahome.
I'd say they bring color into the relationship.
Right.
What was Byron gonna say this morning? So they bring shit that doesn't mean anything. I was like, yeah, nothing of monetary value.
Yeah.
You said you guys bring a lot. Give me 3 things that you guys bring.
There are a lot, but I can't just mention them.
Which kind of man would you like to have?
Me, oh my goodness, it must be funny.
Funny?
Be funny, because happiness is everything. You know, I want to laugh every single time I'm with you. I want to enjoy your company. I want to have fun with you. I want you to be my best friend before my partner, because I just want to.
Angisungani namantombazane.
No.
Angisungani
I understand ukuthi ufuna ubudlelwane be mnandi nijwayelane kuhleka kodwa your best friend say crush.
I want us to play together. You know, I want to enjoy your company. You're the way you are because of me. I can take a good care of you.
Can't I take good care of you?
No.
I can pay for your hair, I can pay for your nails, I can pay for your clothes, I can pay for all that. What can you do for me?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah. They can't bring anything. Are you single?
Me? No, I'm taken.
You taken?
Yes, happily taken.
Happily taken?
Yes.
So the guy is bringing all that?
Yes, because we were friends first. And then we became partners, so that friendship aspect plays a huge role because I can have fun with him, I can joke around with him. He's kind, he's caring, he's nurturing. Yeah, I feel safe around him.
What are the values a woman bring in a relationship?
Love,
Love,
care,
care,
stability.
Okay, can you elaborate stability?
Yini nitshatha amarula kule ikhwaba zenu. Stability ithatha yaphi?
Yeah, but she's mentioning things that are not exclusive to women.
Yeah, exactly.
You can find
If you're both working,
Yeah.
and then
Oh, you're talking about financial stability?
yeah, both ways. Stability, as in to run the household and
Yeah.
financially.
So those are the values that you think a woman bring in a relationship.
Yeah.
Do you believe that men and women are equal? Let me ask you another question.
Okay.
Why do women cheat?
Why do women cheat?
Yeah.
Again, I can't generalize, right? Because it depends on the person, number one. It's not just a gender thing. Everyone can cheat.
If in terms of scripture, obviously the
No,
men.
let's not talk about scriptures. Let's talk about your point of view. Let's put scriptures away. The way
Equal
you
in
see it.
terms of what?
Exactly. Tell me everything.
I think we're equal.
But I'm a man. You're a woman. We're not
Yes.
equal. We build difference.
But then I would say if someone doesn't feel satisfied in their relationship, that's why they cheat. One reason. Another reason is selfishness. Because you feel, okay, this guy doesn't give me money, doesn't give me all these materialistic things, and then you just see on social media especially, you see what other people are getting. Now you also want this.
That's why she's in a relationship.
Mkanise.
That's why she's in a
Mkanise
relationship.
mfana, mkanise.
That's why she's in a relationship.
Mkanise.
A happily.
Sayibona happy mkanise ngaphambi kokuthi ngabe happy mkanise.
Same thing, and then you cheat. That's another reason. And another reason, because they're bored.
I'm biologically different than you.
Yes, not in terms of gender, but in terms of like opportunities.
Don't you feel like if we're different in terms of gender, we shall be different in terms of opportunities? Because
You know, I will say this. Andrew Tate is probably the most influential person of the past 3 years or so. all of a sudden, abantu banama confidence. They're asking all sorts of questions and shit like that.
I don't think it's him. I think it's the fresh and fit people.
Oh yeah, that too.
Because I think Andrew Tate, he leans more towards. I mean, the answers like they bring in stability, they bring in nurture.
It's
something that he would actually be like, yeah, that's what they bring in. The fresh and fit guys, they would say, "Fuck you."
Fuck that. Yeah.
My ability as a man are different from your ability.
Correct.
So there are things that you won't be happy.
This motherfucker's not understanding Indelula. Equality does not equate to the same. Things can be different but still be equal. Equality and same is not the same thing.
Able to deal because you are kind of weaker than me.
Kind of what?
You are weaker than me.
Weaker. Oh.
No, look at the state of you.
I don't trust the statement.
Look at the state of you. This girl can take you. This girl can take you. Look at this. Look at this.
But then it also goes with selfishness. You being selfish. What are you doing? Don't waste someone's time. If you want to cheat, don't waste someone's time. Just tell them it's over. I'm getting bored. Because you're wasting someone's time, honestly.
But men can be weak as well, guys. It depends.
How? It depends on what?
I mean,
Because with the I was born when.
you show your masculinity, but
Sunday Goss is here. Oh, but that was possible. Ino.
masculinity, but that doesn't mean that you necessarily don't have that soft spot within you.
As human beings, we are all soft, right? But women are softer. That's why you bring care in a relationship.
True.
Because you're softer. Have you ever cheated in your life?
Me, never. Oh my goodness, no.
Seriously?
Bon babwakho. Fanele igcwale zithi imfi ekhaya. Uzigcwale zithi imfi.
Ube khona.
Hayi.
Uyidlalile indima.
Sayiphakamisa izandla nje ule khanda.
Yeah.
That crazy.
Thing is about me, I've only dated one person in my life.
And you guys are still dating together?
Yeah.
Would you date a man if he's soft?
If he's soft,
Yes.
yes.
Be honest, man.
Yes, if he's
What
soft,
do you want to
yes.
say?
Every time.
Well, like in certain things, obviously, he needs to
I need
show
a girl
his...
soft every time. Do you have any social Instagram?
Okay, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really? You have a YouTube
Yes, at Overgang
What
Bushiela.
do you do in your channel?
I just do everything and anything. That's how I keep it. Mostly lifestyle and
Yeah.
faith.
What are the reasons why a woman can cheat?
I started
I think women cheat for materialistic things.
Only
If they're not happy,
in terms of what?
maybe you don't give them attention.
Yeah.
Maybe
What are the
there's...
reasons why you have cheated?
I've never cheated.
Don't lie.
Wait, now
How many subscribers
currently
do you have?
at 245, I believe.
Guys, this woman right here is a very pretty woman, smart, intelligent. I want you guys to take her at least at 1,000 subscribers.
Oh wow, that
Go
would be
check her
amazing.
channel and make sure you subscribe just for me. So money is the reason why a woman should cheat.
Most of the time, it's either money or in the relationship, there's never time. So someone else gives her the attention that you don't give.
So according to you, a woman always cheats because of the man. The man is always the problem.
No, sometimes we are the problem.
So
not
cheating
what
is
she
within yourself. You can't say someone...
Like
That's
he
not
wants
what
to
she
be right
said.
so bad. He's pressing.
Like,
things.
that's not what she
She
said.
didn't insinuate that. Come on.
else made you do it, basically.
No, that's what you're saying.
I said it could be reasons. I gave reasons. I
Give me
didn't
all
say.
the possible reasons that you know. Which values do you think a woman bring in a relationship?
I feel like women are wise. That's the values they bring. They're
Wise
much
and
more,
friendly.
yeah, wise. And I feel like women can literally take
Friends
over.
can-
Women can literally take over.
Take over what?
Yeah, because they're wise. They're more experienced than men
In terms of what?
in terms of everything. Wiseness.
So
they're
you're
just
trying
wise.
to literally...
Eh?
You know what?
They're more experienced than men in terms of everything.
I'll take a seat.
What is this?
I'll sit.
Hey. Whew.
My words will be held against me. I'll sit this one out.
Hey, guys, invalid the channel because
Say that the woman is a leader in a relationship.
Yeah, the woman basically has to be a leader in the relationship.
Which kind of relationship is
No,
that?
no, you cheat because it's a self-decision that you make and you're aware of it, right? And you're also aware of the repercussion. That's why most of the time people stop when they are caught.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't say Guti. It's not happening, but
Yeah.
it should happen. Guti,
should
a
happen.
woman
A woman
should be a leader.
in a relationship.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Because without a woman, a man can't do anything.
What?
Exactly. I'm so real.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Without a man, this world would be
But
nothing.
the thing is, no,
Do you
but
know that?
without a woman also, this world would be nothing.
How come?
Because of women are much wiser.
No.
what facts are
No. Okay, you know what? I just said I'm right. But no, the world would. Besides not being able to produce, I think the world would. The world would survive. Like, I think the next 50 years we can. Guys would still run the world. Without women, the world would still be the way it is.
Eventually izophela at some stage.
Eventually, it's okay. Like, maybe after
but
like
izoqhubeka.
50, 60 years or. But come on, besides reproduction, come on. Everything else outside is built by men, so women aren't really doing that whole building roads and building, like putting together buildings and all of that. It's, nah.
Most of the time, a man will stop the relationship when a woman cheats on him because a woman cheats and gets attached.
Because when a woman cheats on you, it demoralizes the man.
No, it's not
Unlike
because of that. A woman
when a
cheats.
man cheats, you forgive, right? Because women are what
No, I'm gonna give you
natural
the reason
caregivers.
why.
I believe that a woman should take over. I
Should.
believe that should.
Okay, so
it
your family.
should
Uyiqalekile le nto leyo.
happen.
Your
I'm
family.
a feminist.
I understand.
Yeah.
When a woman cheats, she gets attached. But when a man cheats, he cheats just because of sex.
Oh, wow.
That's why when a woman cheats on a man, the man decides to break up because the attention and the energy that you give to the other guy is not just gonna be that. Do you understand?
But that's your opinion.
No, that's the real opinion.
Oh.
Can I ask you?
The real opinion.
Factual opinions.
The real opinion.
If you're single
No, I'm not single.
or you're not single,
Yeah.
who wears the pants in your relationship? Is it you or
Where's
your
the-
man?
no, my man.
It's your
But
man,
but
right?
still,
Someone
Still.
said you should be the change that you want to see. So if you're still not a leader in a relationship, means that a woman should not take over. So you should start that in your relationship and see how it goes. If it goes well,
Mara, it's true that a woman have to take over. I understand that men are much more.
You know, kubo bonke abantu abanga-checkmate emhlabeni, this shouldn't be the guy.
On the upper hand, but it should happen, Guti. A woman should take over, or we should just be equal.
but you've never cheated. How do you know that?
I'm just saying. Oh.
Anyways, that was good. So I want to give you a shout out. Do you have any social or something?
Yes, I'm on Instagram. My name is Millen Rice, and I also sell clothes. So if
Oh,
you're interested,
okay.
please have a look at my page.
Anyways, they will give it a look, and then yeah. Are you single?
No,
You're not single?
no.
All right. I'm just gonna bring you clients. It's okay.
Okay.
Have a nice one. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye bye.
I believe
Oh.
that. Yeah,
So a man should be equal with a woman. But
Exactly.
we're different.
we're different, but we
physically
all
different?
should be equal. We all bring in our own points
Yeah.
into a relationship or into something else.
Yeah.
So maybe we should be equal if you guys won't
Yes,
allow
that's
women to be
equality.
on the upper hand.
What
That's equality. Not
other values do you think a woman brings in a relationship?
I just think that it should come from who you are. Like, it should come from the person that you really are.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I can say.
We are
But still-
biologically superior than you guys, physically, right?
Physically.
And then we've proven that intellectually also. Because the society in which we live has been built by men.
Exactly.
So most of the stressful activities
That
have been
means
run
we should
by
be
men.
equal then.
No, we can't
Because
be equal.
without a woman, a man can't succeed in most of the things.
Like what?
Most of the, it's
Like
very,
what?
it's,
Like one example. what other values do you think a woman brings in a relationship?
I just think that it should come from who you are. Like, it should come from the person that you really are.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I can say.
Okay, I want to give you a shout out. Drop your channel quickly.
It's Semi Blaze.
According to your personality, what are the values that you bring in a relationship?
It actually depends, because you're not the same. But me personally,
Yeah.
I'll just be myself, and
You bring yourself, like,
I bring myself here.
how?
How?
Yes. Which type of contents do you do?
Literally everything. It's gonna be lifestyle, vlogs, pranks, everything.
I'd be submissive in a way.
Oh, you'll be submissive in
Yes,
a way.
in a way.
In
Yeah.
a way.
In a way.
Not in all the ways.
It depends the kind of a guy that I'm dating.
Okay.
Yeah, it
depending
depends
on
how
the
I
guy,
feel.
You will adjust depending on the guy.
Yeah, it all depends.
She actually literally believes that women and men should be equal. She has a YouTube channel. I want you guys to support her.
Yeah.
Bring her at least to 1,000 subscribers.
And I'm on Instagram. I'm Semi Savage at Blaze02.
Seven.
Make sure to follow her. But she's a
Thank you.
feminist, guys.
That was the end of the video. It was entertaining though.
Yeah, kumnandi ukuzwa ama-takes. I'm surprised akekho umuntu okhulume ngenzalo, but okay.
Yeah, that's actually where they would all got I don't know. It's 2023. Women are not supposed to be known for what do you call it?
Bearing children.
Yeah.
Hey, okay. Anyway, like the video. Moitanda suggested Apiana any other video you want us to react to. Don't forget to subscribe, share the link, spread the message of whatever the hell you want to spread. Go to more papa.
Peace. The message of peace.
Oh yeah. Anyway,
We've come in. How do you do this? Gay. We have come in peace.
kodwa uzobutshela abantu kukwami la ukuhlukanisa iminwe awe next time bafethu